Welcome to the Election Express. From the South Heartland, I've reached the Hindi Heartland. The next 5 episodes as part of this Election Express series, I'm going to be traversing through the Hindi Heartland with the common theme being where I am, in the beautiful Ganges. In almost every Election Express series, I somehow find 2 things: a boat and some people to have chai with. And I have no doubt that I'm going to find a chai pe chacha opportunity and moment here in Bihar too. That's right, I'm in Bihar, in the capital city of Patna. 40 seats up for grabs. The BJP said Charlies out of Charlies this time, much like 2019. Will that actually happen? I'm going to be speaking to the people of Bihar. And so far, my interactions have been lovely. I absolutely love this state. The people are so kind, friendly, and amazing, despite my broken Hindi. But I'm going to speak to them in their tone, in their language, and ask them, "Ha bhai, ka hal bha?" I'm all suited up, or rather, all gamchad up for this journey. So let's go. The Election Express is on the road again. Touchdown Patna. With 40 seats in the offing, this state is witnessing a high-pitched political battle. We'll get to the 2 big contenders this election, but first, time for the cliched Chai Pe Charcha. We're starting off our morning with a cup of tea. And apparently this is the most famous place in Patna to go ahead and have chai. Sir ji namaste, एक चाय मिलेगा? मेरे को बताया था कि आपके सबसे बढ़िया चाय मिलता है पटना में. सही है क्या?
सही है.
चुनाव में किसका चाय अच्छा होगा? अच्छा, पीने वाले से पूछिए. अच्छा, आप बताइए किसका चाय सबसे अच्छा है? आरजेडी. अच्छा, क्यों? तेजस्वी की वजह से. आपको क्या लगता है इस चुनाव में क्या होगा पटना में?
एकदम मोदी लहर टाइट है एकदम पूरा.
कुछ लोग तो मैं बात कर रही थी, बोल रहे थे आरजेडी भी बहुत स्ट्रांग है.
सबका अपना अपना है, लेकिन हम मोदी का एकदम डंका बज रहा है.
क्या विकास हो रहा है पटना में?
अरे विकास, चहुमुखी विकास है. हाँ बिल्कुल. बहुत खुश हैं. सभी लोग खुश हैं.
ये अभी इस चुनाव में किसको? केंद्र सरकार
पीएनडीए, बीजेपी एनडीए.
I will vote on the government which provide the employment for the people, and I think the unemployment in this area is quite in large amount. So I will vote on the particular topic that if the government provided a job for the people, then it will be on the good side.
अगर आप इफूज की बात करते हैं तो बहुत फर्क है डेवलपमेंट की पटना में. उस लेवल का अभी तक डेवलपमेंट नहीं देखा गया है जो बाकी स्टेट में देखा गया है. जैसे आप गुजरात की बात कर लें या फिर और भी स्टेट्स का देख लें, तो पटना अभी उस टाइप से तो पिछड़ रहा है. हम लोग 40 फीट देते हैं और 40 फीट देके सरकार बनाते हैं. तो उस स्थिति में उतना हम लोग को नहीं मिल पाता है जितना हम लोग को चाहिए.
तो आप खुश नहीं हो अभी इस सरकार से?
बिहार के लिए खुश नहीं है. सरकार से खुश है लेकिन बिहार के लिए खुश नहीं है.
सबसे पहला जो मुद्दा है वो है रोजगार, एम्प्लॉयमेंट. इट्स अ बर्निंग टॉपिक for all of us, and maintaining law and order.
So who's doing it right now? Who do you think is doing it right now?
Of course, Modi is doing right now.
All of them here early in the morning have a message or two for our netas about the issues that they want addressed particularly. But let me take a break now, have a bit of chai, and then we'll hit the road again. Sir ji, मेरे चाय कहाँ हैं? अभी मैं टेस्ट कर रही हूँ हमारे. Yes, ordered. Thank you. So I have had tea everywhere I've gone so far as part of the Election Express. This is supposed to be Patna's most special tea. Let's see if that's really the case. October. Just a sample of how politically aware the people of Bihar are. They do love their politics and have a great understanding of elections, like this gentleman who explained to me how it's like a corporate house. Let's talk to more people here and find out what they have to say. Sir ji, good morning. आप बताइए अभी इस चुनाव में कौन कौन से मुद्दे लेकर आप वोट देंगे?
सबसे पहला चीज क्या है, चुनाव का मतलब यही है कि हमारे राष्ट्र का निर्माण अच्छे से हो। इन्होंने मोदी जी ने किया।
आप ये नहीं देखते हो कि कैंडिडेट यहाँ पे कौन है, क्या काम किया है अब तक, वो सब नहीं, मोदी जी के लिए?
कहने का मतलब क्या है कि अगर किसी भी शीर्ष पे, अगर किसी पोजीशन पे अगर उसका सी, जैसे हमारे कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर में बोलते हैं सीओ हमारे शीर्ष नेता हमारे वही है, जब तक उनका डिसिप्लिन गाइडलाइन नहीं रहेगा तो रेदर देन टीम दे आर नॉट वर्किंग टू फाइन। तो उनके पास क्या एक डिसिप्लिन है टीम चलाने का, अनडिसिप्लिन नहीं है। तो इसलिए उनकी सारी टीम अगर खराब होके भी अच्छे काम करती है। तो चाहे
वो अच्छा होना चाहिए।
आप भी अब जहाँ जॉब कर रहे हैं तो आपका अगर मैनेजमेंट शीर्ष लेवल अच्छा है देन यू गुड अर्ली मॉर्निंग एंड विजिट द एनी अवर।
अमेजिंग मैसेज कि सीईओ अच्छा होनी चाहिए, फिर टीम भी अच्छा से काम करेंगे, डिसिप्लिन। Let's hit the campaign trail, shall we? First up is incumbent MP of Patna Sahib, former Union Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad. As he's literally drowned in saffron garlands, we quickly catch up with the BJP candidate before he embarks on his roadshow. Huge crowds that have gathered here. We're with Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad, the candidate in Patna Sahib. Sir, how are you? How do I say, how are you here in Bihar, sir?
See, I'm excited. My supporters are there. Today I'm going to have a road show from here till Bakhtiarpur.
Please tell us about your campaign, because when I spoke to the Congress, they say you're nowhere on ground. You're not in Patna.
Remember one thing very clearly. I defeated Shatrughan Sinha by 2,90,000 votes. I never took his name. And I don't want to take his name at all. I work on principles, on policy, my leadership and my work. I was born in Patna. I studied in Patna. I have worked in Patna, right from metro to Atal Path to bringing TCS here to everything, fighting in the corona and everything. People know it. Fly-by-night operators are welcome in Patna.
He's a Bihar boy too.
I'm only saying fly-by-night operators are welcome to Patna.
So also, sir, tell us, what is your vision for Patna? Because also I know that overall for Bihar, the BJP wants 40 out of 40.
Patna has metro, Vande Bharat to Ranchi, Vande Bharat to Calcutta, Vande Bharat to Ayodhya and Lucknow. Patna airport is getting modernized. A big 1,000 crore elevated road is coming about. 4 bridges on River Ganga. 1 have been repaired, 1 is there, 2 is coming up. We will want to make Patna a great center of development. We will make it the capital of Bihar. It is old glorious tradition. In fairness, Nitish Kumar government has done a good job. And my Prime Minister has taken a vow that I will take guarantee of making Bihar a progressive state.
But there's a Tejasvi Yadav factor everyone's talking about. Do you think there's something like that? He's saying that the Prime Minister will get bed rest after this.
डेमोक्रेसी में हर को बोलने का अधिकार है, उनको बोलने दो। तेजस्वी जी का एक ही मॉडल है, जमीन दो नौकरी लो। Remember railway scam? He's facing trial for that. Thank you.
So you're saying there's no Tejasvi factor? ठीक है, thank you. So Ravi Shankar Prasad in conversation with us. He's busy in his campaign, so we just managed to quickly get a word with him as he's set for once again contesting from here in Patna Sahib.
आपका पर्चम लहराने का यह एक तरीका है और इतना आदमी शपथ लेता है कि जितनी मतों से आप लीड करेंगे.
Squaring off against the veteran Ravi Shankar Prasad is an electoral newbie who you've definitely seen during our TV debates, Anshul Avijit. He's former Speaker Meera Kumar's son, Jagjeevan Ram's grandson, so he's got politics in his blood. About 30 minutes away from Patna city, we've come to Sampachak to meet with Anshul here, who is campaigning, has gotten the Congress ticket here, and this is your political debut, Anshul. Are you feeling a lot of pressure? How's the campaign going?
Well, it's my electoral debut. I've been in politics, as you know, as a spokesperson, and also I'm I'm not a stranger to politics because of my family, and I've been coming to almost every Lok Sabha election since 1986, when my mother fought her first by-election from Bijnor. So politics is, it's not just a legacy, it's really there, it's in my blood. Been meeting people, and it's really exciting to be here. Go to the people, feel this is really the beating heart of democracy, which is the electoral process, where you have to go to the people, convince them that you're the right person for them, and then get their mandate.
You know, like you said, you've been seasoned with politics for the last many years. You've got politics in your blood. But how different is it to fight an election, and a parliamentary election at that?
No, of course, if you're doing it yourself, I've had a lot of experience of being in election and then managing elections, but to do it yourself is completely different.
Choosing Patna Sahib, is that a seat that personally you have chosen for yourself? Because, like you said, you come from a family which has a huge political lineage in Bihar. Was this the right choice of seat? A lot of people question whether, you'd have done much better off in another seat in Bihar like a Sasaram.
No, the party chose it. Usually the Congress party chooses what they think is the appropriate, suitable candidate for a particular seat. The Prime Minister is coming here thrice. He's about to come for the third time. It shows the kind of presence, my presence, what difference it has made.
There's a lot of talk of the Tejaswi factor versus Modi factor here in Bihar. But it is a parliamentary election. And my interactions with people, they're keeping that in mind. They're saying this is not a state election. We're voting for who's in Delhi.
Yeah, exactly. So do tell me that if the double-engine Sarkar here, the much touted and the quite infamous now, has actually worked here. You'll be around Patna. It's a beautiful city. It's my city. I've been seeing it for decades. The kind of conditions that are here, it's completely deteriorated. It happened with the floods here in Patna, where, even in my house, there was 10 feet water. The present MP never came. Ravi Shankar ji never came here to help out.
Is it tough to take on someone who's represented Patna before, who's comfortable in this seat, who's a seasoned politician?
No, what does seasoned politician mean? He's never
represented the seat.
No, I know. But it's a rhetorical statement. He's never even appeared before the people. He's never taken his responsibility seriously. And what is the development? Akshita, do tell me one plaque in his name in this city. And the people will show you that there is none to commemorate some kind of development work. He's never been here. And that is what, to be a good representative of the people, is his primary responsibility. And he's failed, and the people are angry and resentful, and they will show that on the 1st.
I see people are waiting for you, so we'll resume this conversation below as well. Come, Sachin. One learning from your grandfather, from your mother, and that's helped you also, that's going to help you also in your electoral time.
I think just to remain with the people, be in touch with them, keep meeting them, their problems, their difficulties, be with them in their moments of grief and joy as well.
आप सब अंशुल जी के लिए वोट करेंगे?
बिल्कुल एकदम निकालना है।
Not many know that Anshul ji actually started off in India today.
It's kind of a role thing, reversal at the moment. I still remember those days. I'm quite nostalgic about them. And yeah, of course, I keep going back there again. Many friends, and thank you for coming. So it's wonderful to be here.
We'd love to have you sometime back in the newsroom. But thank you very much. All the best. Thank you. बिल्कुल ले लूंगी, बिल्कुल. Thank you. With the candidates having their say, let's put the focus now on what the people of Patna want. Like I said earlier, it's an interesting urban-rural mix, and in Sampachak, during the Congress's campaign, I catch up with some local women. So while following the Congress's campaign here in Sampachak, I found this group of women, all with pamphlets, of course, of the Congress candidate. But who really they're voting for? What are the issues that they have? आप पहले हमको बताइए, आप बोल रहे थे कि पानी भी नहीं आता है आपके घर।
कलट रहे हैं, बाल बच्चा का रोजी रोटी नहीं, पढ़ लिख के हम लोग के बाल बच्चा ऐसे ही रह रहा है। हाँ,
आपके घर तक कुछ विकास नहीं पहुंचा?
कोची विकास कुछ तो नहीं पहुंच रहा है दीदी। हम लोग कमाते हैं 150-100 रुपया में कोची होगा।
अब तक आपके लिए कुछ काम नहीं किया अब तक?
पानी के हम लोग के बड़ी दिक्कत है बेटी, सब कुछ। हाँ, घर द्वार गिरल, धन बना ले।
और 5 साल में कुछ नहीं हुआ उसके लिए?
कुछ ना।
पानी चूता है घर में।
आप बताइए, आप भी कुछ बोल रहे थे मेरे को।
हमको 400 में पेट भरता है, घर में सूता है तो बरसात में पानी चूता है।
तो कुछ नहीं आता। तो आप किसके लिए वोट करेंगे अभी? ये सब देख के, मुद्दे देख के पानी भी नहीं आया आपके लिए, तो किसके लिए वोट देंगे आप?
पंचायत साहब के देंगे
वोट पंचायत साहब को कि हमको आपको भैया दीदी सहायता देंगे। और किस लिए देंगे? वही आप मेरे बन जाएंगे, आपके में हम बन जाएंगे। और क्या कर सकते हैं बाल? हाँ था बहुत एकदम अपना देश मदद वाले बच्चे करेंगे तो करेंगे।
मोदी जी के लिए वोट
नहीं क्यों का है कि मोदी जी तो जीत के हमनी सबन के आए, सब चीज तो बंद कर दिए हैं।
मोदी जो है रोड और सड़क और रास्ता बना दिए तो उनको लगता है कि पूरा हम देश को सुधार दिए हैं। यहाँ गरीब की जनता मर रहा है। रोड सुधारने से नहीं ना होता है।
फ्री में गैस है तो सब लोग आदमी गैस ले लिया। पहले आदमी चूल्हा पर खाना बनाता था, अब हो गया मोदी बोला कि चलो हम गैस फ्री कर देते हैं। आप पैसा नहीं रहेगा तो गैस कैसे चलाएगा? कैसे गैस कहाँ से भराएगा? तो फिर तो हम लोग का गरीबी छेड़ गया। बच्चा है, हम लोग गरीब आदमी है, जबकि आमदनी नहीं रहेगा तो बच्चा को हम पढ़ाएंगे क्या चीज के? मान लिया जाए कि बिजली बिल बढ़ गया तो हम लोग का जब आमदनी नहीं रहेगा तो बिजली बिल हम कहाँ से भरपाई करेंगे?
देखिए हम लोग गरीब में तो कायदा मारवा चावल सरल गेहूँ खाते हैं, घुनाल गेहूँ मिलता है हम लोग के। बताइए हाँ, और गैस मिला तो ऊपर पैसा भी नहीं जाता है। बताइए हम लोग क्या करें?
तो कुछ नहीं है, सिर्फ सड़क है बोल रहे हैं।
हाँ, तो सड़क हम लोग का मकान टूट गया, हम लोग को जमीन नहीं मिला और किराया पड़ रहा है। बताइए तो लोग हम
So infrastructure, roads done, nothing else done is what these villagers have to say. This is on the campaign trail of the Congress candidate that we caught up with them. All of them have Congress pamphlets in their hand. But they're saying very, very clearly that yes, we're not going to vote for the BJP. Our vote is for the Gathbandhan. We travel back into Patna to meet some youngsters on what their dreams are for their city. The youth vote, spoken about so often in this election. But what do youngsters actually think? What are the issues that they're going to vote for? What about the first-time voters? How excited are they? We've come to a college campus to find out exactly that. And let's get chatting with some of the students here who are busy in their own world. Hi there. Hello.
Hi.
What's up? Are you excited about the elections and voting for the first time?
Yes, actually we are very excited.
Why?
To know कि कैसे बाजी पलटेगी इस बार या क्या होगा.
Oh, so you guys are all very politically aware?
I wouldn't say that I'm politically aware, but I want to. I am very excited to vote for the first time. I have to get that selfie with the ink on my index finger.
It's all about the pictures for Insta.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, tell me, आप बताइए, what are the issues that you look at when you're casting your vote? What have your parents told you to look at?
My parents have told about the employment after 1 year we'll be graduate. So we'll be looking forward to have some job and have some better life ahead.
All the Biharis, we feel like, okay, for further education, we'll have to move to Delhi, Bangalore or Kolkata. So we want that the education in Bihar should be that prominent that the students who are in Bihar, they don't have to move away from their hometown.
Whosoever comes, because it's not about that a face is coming. It's all about that what the work he has done which creates the face. Okay, so whosoever comes, they should focus on the development, they should focus on the education system, because yet national education policy in 2020 came, but still it's it's not been implemented at such level which government expected. So in terms of that, a number of infrastructure development has been done, IIT, IIMs have been built, but still the workforce which should go there, the student which should utilize it to optimum so that they can create results. On that part, government should focus on. It's true that government is working, but still there are a number of loopholes in which government needs to look into.
Are you happy with the current government in the centre?
Basically, I am neutral.
I am neutral. You can be neutral, but are you happy with the work? See, you're neutral, but you have to vote for one side, no?
Yeah. नो क्योंकि और भी चीजें हैं जो कि गवर्नमेंट को करनी चाहिए. Like I talked about education system, sports, and the only thing which I am currently seeing is the infrastructure in Bihar. Nothing else.
You think that's better?
Yes.
Okay. I'm talking about Patna, yes, infrastructure, development. It's still a national election. तो वो देखकर वो सोच के आप किसके लिए वोट देंगे या what are the issues you look at?
आई वोट फॉर बीजेपी क्योंकि अभी तक जो भी उन्होंने काम किया अच्छा किया और चाहते हैं पटना में भी उन्हीं को वोट दे ताकि पटना का एजुकेशन सिस्टम जो भी इंडिया के लिए क्यों पटना को भी बेटर बनाए एजुकेशन जो ये सब पे वर्क करें.
I see you all nodding. So yes, you're also saying the same thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, same vote? Not sure yet. Okay, what about you? Same?
I also not
sure yet. Okay, so some undecided voters here. The others making it very clear that they're happy with the kind of development that's happened. You've heard from all of these students about what they want for the country, about what they want for Patna. June 1st, they'll get their chance to cast their vote for the very first time. But you can make out how excited they are by the opportunity as well. So an interesting mix of voices in Patna, and whichever side they've taken in this election, they all agree on one thing. That Patna needs to become a big bang city and most definitely has the potential. As the sun sets, we visit the most popular hangout in Patna, Marine Drive. I feel like I've gone back in childhood. Let me try to shoot some balloons. And no, don't go into the colors. It doesn't mean anything of which balloon I shoot. But I'm going to try to get at least one. Let's see. एक भी नहीं हुआ ना? छोड़ दो. This isn't for me. छोड़ दो.
कंटिन्यू रोलिंग. ये जो है ना इसके बीच का पॉइंट को देखिएगा.
Don't read into the color. No visit to Bihar is complete without some litti chokha. The city is full of stalls of the local delicacy, and since I have just a day in Patna, I soak in as much of the local flavors as possible. Some litti pe charcha then. So I was told that no trip to Patna or Bihar is complete without having some litti. So I've decided to explore the nightlife of Patna, which is largely, of course, around the street food of Patna. So you can see two stalls here, both serving litti. Let's begin with this one and show you what exactly goes into the making of litti, with, of course, a bit of politics on the sides. चुनाव आने वाला है. आप किसके लिए वोट देंगे और क्यों?
हम लोग तो विकास पे वोट देंगे. हाँ, जो विकास करेगा उसको वोट देंगे. विकास तो बीजेपी में नहीं हुआ है अभी. नहीं. हम लोग के एमपी जो है यहाँ के वो तो दिखते ही नहीं है. चुनाव जीतने के बाद वो कभी आते ही नहीं है.
ठग वाले आदमी से हम लोग परेशान हो गए हैं. ये 10 साल में जो उन्होंने बेरोजगारी लाया है, इस बेरोजगारी को हम लोग 50 साल तक भुगतेंगे मैम. तो फिर इस सरकार को लाके क्या अपने 3 पुश्त को हम लोग गड्ढे में ढकेल दें?
डबल इंजन है यहाँ पे, वैसा कुछ नहीं.
डबल इंजन क्या ट्रिपल इंजन हो जाएगा तो इस बार जाएगी.
बोल रहे हैं बेरोजगारी है, अभी परिवर्तन आने वाला है.
परिवर्तन आया है. अब जिसको नजर आता है वो बोलेंगे, जिसको नजर नहीं आता है वो निगेटिव बोलेंगे. अब 15 साल पहले देखिए ना लालू की सरकार में क्या होता था जंगल राज. और अभी जब 15 साल में जब जितना विकास हुआ है लोगों को नजर नहीं आ रहा है.
राजा बताओ.
उनका कहना जंगल राज, ये गुंडा राज जो चल रहा है अभी, इससे बढ़िया जंगल राज है. आप एक चीज बताइए, अभी समर आने वाला है, आप लोग कहाँ जाते हैं? जंगल जाते हैं. जंगल किस लिए जाते हैं? शांति के लिए. तो जंगल में शांति होता है. आप वादियाँ घूमने जाते हैं, पहाड़ देखते हैं.
जंगल राज अच्छा है.
वो अच्छा है. ये गुंडा राज से गरीब को हटा देना, उसको मार देना, ये सब अभी प्योर गुंडा राज बिहार में चल रहा है.
आप थोड़ा सपोर्टर्स लेकर आ जाइए. आप
वहाँ पर जब किडनैपिंग होता था मेरे घर में खुद दो किडनैपिंग हो चुकी थी मेरे घर में. हाँ, मेरा छोटा भाई का किडनैपिंग हुआ था 2000 ईस्वी में. मंदिर पे गांव से उठा लिया था. हाँ, और हम लोग खुद हम लोग के जो चाचा
तो वो बोल रहे हैं जंगल राज अच्छे है, गुंडा राज का प्रॉब्लम.
ऐसा देखिए लोग, देखिए जहाँ पॉजिटिव है वहाँ निगेटिव बात तो होगी. जहाँ सपोर्टर है वहाँ पे उसका अपोज करने वाले भी लोग होते हैं, है कि नहीं? ये तो लेकिन ये क्लियर है कि 15 साल में जो विकास हुआ है वो उससे पहले नहीं हुआ.
तो आपको क्या बोलना है, इस बार 40 से 40 नहीं होगा?
20 पार कर जाए तो बहुत है.
तो आप ये बताइए, ये चुनाव जो है अभी दिल्ली में कौन बैठेगा उस पर तय करेंगे.
दिल्ली
उससे
में
मैं
अब
भी आज
हमारा जो गठबंधन होगा उसमें जो लायक होगा उसी को बिठाया जाएगा, जो पकड़ बना के रखेगा उसको बिठाया जाएगा।
तो कौन प्रधानमंत्री चाहिए? तेजस्वी
जाएगा ना, अभी तेजस्वी तो है ही, सीधी सी बात है, देखा जाएगा, वो समय की बात है।
तो बोल रहे हैं 40 से 40 होगा।
नहीं 40 कहाँ जाएगा, विकास
10 भी नहीं पार होता।
10 भी नहीं होगा। अच्छा 10 भी नहीं होगा। आपकी लिट्टी तो पूरा फुल हाउस जा रहा है, यहाँ पे हाउसफुल है। आप बताइए आप किसके लिए वोट देंगे और क्यों?
अभी जिसका खाऊंगा उसके खाऊंगा, वो खिलाएगा तब ना हमको खाएंगे उसका। पहले महीना में 1 साल में हमको 4 बार राशन मिलता था, अभी 12 महीना फोन करके हमको देता है, तो हम इसका नीमक खाऊंगा, इसी का गुण गाऊंगा।
सब कस्टमर्स जो है वो सब तेजस्वी यादव
बोलने दीजिए, किसी को मुंह थोड़ी पकड़ पाएंगे, अपना अपना जवान पकड़ेगा, अपना जवान से खाता है, दुनिया से हमको क्या मतलब है।
बहुत धन्यवाद। लेट्स टेक अ ब्रेक नाउ, wrap up the election express from Patna with a delicious plate of litti chokha. We'll see you in Gorakhpur next.